Commissioners, we will now turn to item 6 on the agenda. May we move for a vote for us to go into executive session for a short period of time to discuss litigation, specifically Taxis for All campaign versus TLC and New York Taxi Workers Alliance versus David Doe et al. Can we have a vote? And vote passes unanimously. Thank you. So we're going to go into another room and then we will come back on the record. So. That's it. Sure. Yes, we're back on the record. Commissioner Doe, any additional business?
Thank you so much for everyone being here today. I appreciate your time. At this time, we'll close the meeting at 11:11. Thank you. Done.